everyone. Today let's see how to make chicken malai kebab at home without a tandoor oven. It is a famous North Indian tandoor dish, so let's get started. In a blender jar, add the soaked cashews. Along with it, add the cheese, ginger garlic paste, yogurt, preferably fresh yogurt, not very sour. Add 1 spoon lime juice. We are going to add the dry ingredients. This is garam masala, white pepper, cumin powder, black salt and little cardamon powder. All goes in the blender jar. Along with it, we are adding 1 spoon mustard oil, once it is blended a little, add in the fresh cream. Blend it to a fine paste. So the chicken here is boneless chicken. I have taken boneless chicken thighs. So the pieces have to be little bigger pieces, not very small pieces like how we put for chicken 65. It should be little bigger. So debone the thighs and cut it into 4 pieces. Let's add the marinade to the chicken. Coat it thoroughly and refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours before cooking. For the malai kebabs, you need the skewers. These are the bamboo skewers I'm using here. So take the chicken, mix it well, and then take one piece and then push it inside the skewers like this. Add oil, cover them and cook for 2 minutes. Okay, let's open. That's it. After flipping it on all the sides, the chicken is cooked through well. Malai kebab needs to be little juicy and tender, so don't overcook the chicken, so it will be very hard. So let's put off the flame. Here we go. The chicken Malai kebab is ready. It's juicy and ready. You can serve it along with mint chutney. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe to my channel.